Unboxing the modding scene, Xbox Game Pass games.
Hello everyone! Today, we are diving into the exciting world of game modifications, also known as mods, for Xbox Game Pass games. We're specifically going to explore any potential restrictions or limitations that could exist when enabling mods for these games.
What are mods and how do they work?
Mods are player-made alterations to a game that can change or enhance gameplay, graphics, and other elements. They can transform a game into a whole new experience, and they've become a critical part of gaming culture. Enabling mods on console games has traditionally been more limited than on PC. However, the situation has been changing, with more and more developers and platforms like Xbox Game Pass allowing limited modding capabilities.
Can you use mods with Xbox Game Pass games?
Yes, you can. But it's not a carte blanche situation. There are certain conditions and limitations you need to be aware of. Firstly, the game developers themselves decide whether to allow modding for their games. This means some Xbox Game Pass games might allow mods, while others might not. Secondly, not all types of mods may be supported. Often, mods that dramatically alter the game, such as those that modify game assets or gameplay mechanics, might not be permitted. Finally, using mods can sometimes lead to technical issues, instability, or even potential account penalties if the mod provides an unfair competitive advantage or disrupts the experience of other players. Always make sure the mod you are using is safe and abides by the rules set by the game developers and Xbox.
How do you enable mods on Xbox Game Pass games?
You'll typically have to follow a process dictated by the individual game and the Xbox system. In some cases, mods can be directly downloaded and enabled from the game's main menu. In others, you might need to go through a more complex process involving external websites and transferring files to your console. Always follow the game's official guidelines for enabling mods to avoid any unwanted problems or breaches of rules. So, while there is a growing trend towards allowing mods in console games, including those on Xbox Game Pass, it's crucial to remember there are still limitations and guidelines to follow. Modding can open up a new world of experiences in your favorite games, but always ensure you're doing so safely and within the rules set by the game developers and Xbox. We hope you found this video informative and that it helps enhance your gaming experience. Happy modding, everyone!